Hi folks, welcome back. So we need to start with $1 million question. What is AI, right? Now we are looking to go deep dive into the certifications for artificial intelligence, but what if we actually don't understand what is AI? How should we really go and start learning these concepts? So that's why it's very important you understand what is AI. So it's always good to break your words. So let's break the words artificial intelligence in and see the meanings, right? First of all, what is artificial, right? Artificial is something which is not natural, right? We talk about natural stuff, right? Which is present in the nature or it is naturally present, right? But when we talk about artificial, it is something that is man-made. So first of all, remember, artificial is something that the humans have made, right? Then we talk about intelligence, right? What is intelligence? Very, very simple word, but with a deep meaning. So intelligence is the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills. So if we combine these two terms, we are talking about artificial intelligence. So remember, it is man-made intelligence, right? It is not natural intelligence. Humans, they have got natural intelligence, but machines, computers, they have got artificial intelligence, right? And if I talk about the complete definition for AI, it is the ability or the capability of a computer system to mimic, right? To mimic means just like humans, right? You have human-like cognitive functions. Now you might ask, what is cognitive? So cognitive contains of mainly three things. So one is cognitive means knowing, then it means learning and understanding, right? So if we are looking to make the computers so smart that they have human-like cognitive functions, that the computers have understanding, they have the learning capabilities, and they have the knowing capabilities. So this is what combines as artificial intelligence, the ability or capability of computer system to mimic human-like cognitive functions. Okay, so in the next one, let's quickly take a look into the demo of AI. So I thought it would be good if I actually give you a quick demo on AI if you are like actually new to this field. What is AI? So let's quickly take a look.
Introducing Phantom, the most advanced chessboard in the world. We bring you the infinite possibilities of online chess with the engaging experience of a physical set. And Phantom is also the smartest board ever. It allows you to play against any other human on Earth remotely, or moving the pieces using only your voice.
Knight G4.
Play against our human-like AI, which continuously adapts to your playing level. The pieces become a sculpture that plays back the most famous games in history. Phantom, it's bringing back all the little details that make chess great.
Okay, so this was a perfect example of artificial intelligence, right? I'm not sure if you noticed, but there was a guy who just gave certain commands, and he was just simply using a speech. And in the world of AI, we call it NLP, or natural language processing, right? You're just simply saying, move to this, say G4, move the knight to G4, right? So, and just based on your command, the piece is moved, right? Then it also talks about that this is like a human-like AI, which adapts to your playing levels. So the computer or this chessboard is so intelligent that it can even adapt to your playing levels. It can understand whether you are an expert player or you are kind of a beginner, just based on the kind of moves you are making. First 10 moves or first 3 moves that you make, it can gauge that you are an expert player or you are in beginner level, and it will adapt its own playing levels against you, right? Perfect example of AI. Thanks for watching.